Hi everyone, just a quick equipment update. You may have noticed on the new Welcome to the Art of Tom Gallovich video I put up, in the background is my most recent video of the 15-minute sky, but it's mounted on a white panel. Now that is what I wanted to pass on to you. I wanted to use it for a while to make sure it all checked out. I found some little glitches for me, but they were still easily fixable. And that is what these are is a 24-inch by 24-inch ceiling tile made of PVC. Now these are very soft because it's a PVC like almost foam core, but it's very durable. Now the only issue I first came across was that a single panel, if I hit it with a hair dryer, it would start to buckle, but then what would happen is it would put my camera out of focus. That if I had a shallow depth of field from the panel itself, once it started buckling, then that would become out of focus and I couldn't have that. So for my remedy was just to take one, put double stick tape on it, and then glue another one on top of it, and it doesn't bow at all anymore. It made it much more rigid. But for you, you may not have that issue, or you may not need to worry about whether your painting is in focus to a camera or not. So one may even be enough. But for $8 and pretty much indestructible PVC, if I get paint all over it, all I have to do is wipe it with a damp rag and it's perfectly clean, ready to go for the next painting. Any type of tape sticks to it very well, so that would be your choice of what kind of tape you want to use, even if you want to tape it. Now you can't staple or anything like that, it's not heavy enough, but for any type of tape it works really well. And what I do is even got a couple sets of these and put them together. So if I want to put a painting aside and grab another one, then I could even do that. Because once I register it in the camera, I have to keep it nice and even so I could show you how to do the demo. But for now, if you want to think of it, again, I'll put the link down below to the product itself. I think they work really well, and obviously I'm not affiliated with any ceiling tile, so it is completely up to you. So until I see you out in the field or back at the studio, thanks for watching.